2, 3, go. You say.
Hello guys, and today we're gonna try to eat kolache. Happy.
Happy? What is happy? Okay, so we're trying this Bosnian dessert.
Okay, let's try this.
You're gonna try this.
I'm gonna like to try.
I don't know. This is Bosnian dessert. We're in Bosnia, so this is Bosnian dessert, right? So first, this is, I don't know how you call this. This is like Raffaello. What is that?
Poopsie.
Mmm.
Yum yum.
That's nice.
This one is not so
Mmm.
nice.
Has like a hazelnut. What? Can it be seen? No focus? Oh. There you are. It's a hazelnut inside. Good. It's nice. I love this.
It's a block.
It's a block.
No, it's a green block. A green stuffed block. A dessert green stuffed block with a little stripies.
That one is good. From 1 to 10, how delicious is this? Did you try this? It's nice?
No,
You don't like?
because it doesn't have any taste. Okay, guys.
There you are.
See red stripes?
Uh,
Those are stripes I'm talking about.
so white stripes, not red. Is it good?
Mmm.
You like it? It's nice. What about this one? Why you return this? Not bad.
Here doesn't taste good.
This? This one is good here. Huh? Let me try. Not bad. It's good. 1 to 10. You rate 1 to 10. How delicious is this? 5 is normal, not so. 10 is the most delicious, and 1 is not delicious. What do you think?
10.
10? It's so delicious. Yeah. She likes it.
And that has words.
There's no words to express.
No, that is words I express. Not that tasty.
This one.
I lied.
It's good.
Hey, let's try this.
This one, you try this. This is like a coconut with a hazelnut. Yeah. Yes, it's dirty. Ooh. It's too sweet. You like it?
Try.
It's nice. It's nice. From 1 to 10. How tasty it is? 10?
Again.
Kind of good. She likes this. They're all so sweet. She likes sweet so much.
Well, all of these are 10 tastes. Oh. But this one is not. This one is 1.
That one is, which one is 1?
This.
This. Okay, put it out. What about this?
I wonder
This
how
is good.
Taste.
I don't know how you call this. This is like
Chocolate with coconut sprinkled.
Not bad. I tried. Oh. How is it? You don't like it? 1 to 10.
1.
1.
What's the rest?
This one is good. I like this. Let's fold that one. I like this. This tastes like coconut with milk. It's creamy.
Coconut with milk?
Wait.
Wait.
My hands are so dirty eating already chocolates. Sorry. Wait, I need to cut my fingernails. Dirty. It's embarrassing to have.
Okay, she's gone. Pooh. Look, this is again. This is a orange block. So this is an orange block, with again white stripes. You see, white stripes. Did you ever taste some Banja Luka this store before? Well, come on inside. This is the card for Banja Luka. Do you like this? Do you like this? No.
Don't eat all, you eat for me.
How could? How could I finish everything?
Hey, how's the taste of this? Not bad. It's delicious.
It's chicken joy. It's gingerbread.
How's the taste? Nice. You like that? 1 to 10.
1.
I'm gonna say 5 or 6. 1 to 10. This one I like this. Yeah, it's coconut. It's creamy. It's like pastillas in the Philippines. It tastes like pastillas. You know, in the Philippines we have this. It's creamy and sweet and creamy. Good.
The riddle tastes good for me. The riddle tastes good for me.
What about this? I think I tried this already, huh? This one is 9. This one is 9. Looks good. This one is also good. Bitter. Sweet. This one is good. Look at this.
Really doesn't taste good.
This tastes coffee in coconut.
Coffee! Why not good for sugar coffee?
and coconut. Oh, this is same. Same. This one.
Look, guys, there's some jam.
Ah, there's a jelly. Oh, jam is jelly.
Jelly. There's
Gelatin.
some jam. Gelatin there.
Oh, so this one. And wait. They're not same actually. They look same, but it doesn't taste same. The other one has some gelatin.
Yes. No.
This tastes like.
They just look same because of the white color.
Because of the coconut.
They just look
Something like with the coffee. Yeah, they don't taste same actually.
Oh, they doesn't like it. Don't like them.
Just sweet.
So
Mm.
for me, I don't really like it.
Too sweet.
No, they're ugly. They don't taste sweet at all.
Smoke ba? Smoke ba? What is smoke ba?
I don't know.
Figs.
Huh?
Figs.
I'm gonna have mine in this video.
You try.
Finish anything. I'm gonna have tummy ache.
This one is better.
1, 2, 3. I don't really like it. I like to taste the sprinkles.
You try. I think this one is good.
I like
This one is good.
sprinkles.
It's creamy. This one is good. It tastes like coconut too.
Sprinkles.
Coconut with some nuts. Whatever.
Nuts. Not again this nuts.
I cannot eat super sweets. So we're just tasting everything. Cannot? Oh, there you are. They're all same.
All same.
This one has bread. It's like a cookies
Cookies.
with some nuts. Hazelnuts or whatever nuts.
Cookies. What? Cookies?
This one are same.
What?
This one,
Christmas cookies! Woohoo! Cookies! Yippee! Cookies!
Oh my goodness. All
I get
sweetness.
excited fast once I heard cookies.
Everything are just too sweet.
Yes.
Is this same
For me,
as this other one?
it's
Is
just-
the same?
Like fruits and
No,
vegetables.
they're not same.
But this one tastes like fruits and vegetables for me. It is so ugly. Oh my gosh, it's falling.
I tried to bite on this too. It was good. Which one tastes better?
Don't show
This
that.
one, this one.
Don't show that.
Why? You don't like?
Now that I'm shy. Let's make them blurred a little bit.
This one is also different. Can I focus?
Focus.
Mm.
I can't choose my words.
So sweet. This tastes like with cinnamon. What about you? You like this? Ah.
I like it. What's this? Little cutie. Look, guys, there's a little pom-pom.
This one don't look same. No, they don't look
It's a
same.
dessert, Mama.
They don't look same. Everything is different.
What does this diamond looks like?
Everything looks different, but they all taste same for me. Everything tastes the same.
Kind of different.
Yeah. about this one? It's just sweet.
So
That's
guys,
what
everything is sweet.
Mm. Wafer, wafer. Mm. That's right.
What's that? I don't really like.
You don't like?
It doesn't look good to me.
Let's try this.
Wow.
Maybe this. I want to try this.
What's this? Squeeze
Mm.
here. I wonder what's in this ball.
You try.
That's delicious.
You like that? This one, 5. It's 5. This one and this, they're kind of similar with the coconut, and this thing, but this one is more tastier. It has some kind of a flavor or different flavor. No. This one, let's try this.
Maybe I can eat this ginger.
This one is also same with this, or same taste. Where's that other one? This. They all taste same. What about this one? Never tried this. Sweet with some nuts also.
This one freshy.
You're gonna have diabetes. So I tasted everything. Yeah, I tasted everything.
Which one is the nicest?
For me, this one.
Which one is the nicest and which one is the bad one?
Yeah. Which one? Look at this. This is bad or good?
No.
You don't like that? It's one.
This one. What is the nicest?
This one is good for me. It's okay for me.
Nice one.
Yes, I like this. I'm gonna put the one with I like.
Which one is the nicest?
This one is good. Like Raffaello. This tastes like Raffaello. It's like pastillas. Pastillas. We have this in the Philippines. It tastes like pastillas. You like that too, right? You like that too?
Yes.
They all taste like pastillas. They all same. They have some like a creamy coconut. Wait. This one is okay for me. I don't know what is in this. So this one is okay for me. This one is thumbs up. This one is okay for me. This tastes like creamy. This is creamy, not so sweet, milky, creamy something. It was okay.
I need to bite everything.
Because I need to try everything. How does it taste? This one. Wait.
I like
This
the
one?
chocolate.
And this. They taste same for me. They just look different, but they taste same. Same with this one. They all look different, but stay same. And this. They look different, but they taste same. But I like this. This one I like. This one is okay. This one is okay. That's too sweet for me. The rest, 5, 6. This one is okay. 9, 9, 8.
8.
9, 8.
9, 8.
Yeah, 9, 8, 9, 8. I can say it's around 9 and 8. But the rest are just too sweet. Oh, please, not the chocolate. Did we tasted everything? This one also supposed to be nice.
It tastes.
This one,
I tasted everything.
just sweet.
I didn't taste everything.
They're just too sweet for me.
That's
Not so creamy. The others here, they're creamy. I like it. But the rest, they're just sweet and sweet and sweet.
They're just sweet, 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 sweet. Very sweet.
Just sweet. You can have diabetes when eating. Oh, I feel like you're gonna have diabetes from these.
Oh my gosh,
goodness.
no more water.
Oh, you get water. Oh, my God. So that's it, guys. Verdict. What's the verdict?
I don't know.
Everything is really sweet.
Well, I don't know what's the verdict.
For me, everything is very sweet.
Hello?
I like sweets, but this one is just sweet.
Sweet.
I don't know how to. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I don't know
All
what to
these
say.
sweets is just sweet, 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 sweet.
Yes, sweet like you.
I want candy. Eat like that.
Kiss mama, sweetie. Kiss like sweet like KOLAČI. Sweet like KOLAČI.
Sweet like KOLAČI. What do you mean sweet like KOLAČI?
And they all just taste the same.
They're just sweet, 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 sweet.
They all taste the same.
They're all just very, very,
Mostly everything tastes same.
Wait.
So, the majority are like coconut. They're some has a creamy coconut. No, coconut, sweet, peanuts. What is in here? Chocolate, peanuts, not peanuts. Hazelnuts, almonds maybe. This one has creme banana in it. The other one has gelatin. But in general, they're all mostly same. They all look different, but they all taste just same, just similar. Oh yeah.
Okay, bye. I hope. Bye bye.
Ouch. Bye.
Bye.